Anyway, here comes our GO train at Fairy Lake. That was cab car 34D7 and MP40 Locomotive 659. And there it goes. So you can see here there's a lot of Christmas trees at Fairy Lake. Even the big one here. They've been doing this for years. It's really beautiful, even on the Water Street Bridge. First time doing the shot, so hopefully it comes out well. And stuff like that. Anyways, that's 6:59 at Fairy Lake. Let's go down here so that way you can see more of the Christmas lights. Yeah, there are people skating over there and stuff like that. Really beautiful place at night. Alrighty, I guess that's it. Really beautiful evening here. Yeah. Yeah, we are. You can see the Winter Wonderland sign.
There's a skate rink in here.
Yeah, a skating rink here. It's really cool at night.
Okay, let's go.
Alrighty, let's go. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this. That's 6:59 at Fairy Lake. Anyways, and some Christmas tree lights. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this as always. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be it.